Okay, this is the HP 920 ergonomic vertical mouse. So, this hopefully is a nice mouse. They apparently on Amazon reviews here have a large amount and number of different scroll wheel issues over time. But at a vertical mouse that are ergonomic, there's only a few out there. I didn't really want to do Logitech because it for sure fails no matter what. After about a year, which was just ridiculous. There's a nice little unboxing here. And looks like pull all that out. Nice little charging cable. It's actually a fairly decent box, honestly, all things considered. Now, seems fairly well put together. Feet look nice. And for reference. That's okay. Feels fairly nice. Yeah, it's magnetic. So, slightly wide boy palm style. Alright, looks like you're still gonna probably try and claw grip that. You definitely want the mouse base, at least in my mind. Clicks are pretty good. Maybe what that is probably what that is. Anyways, alright, that's done.